wag. Ouch! Crazies puffed out. Jumped. Birds fly. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Landed. Nonsense. Because. What? Watch me. Getting higher and higher and higher. Hey. Hello, my fellow teachers. Today I have a really cool ESL story for your ESL young learners to celebrate Cats Day. That's right. This story is funny. This story is engaging. This story brings in new sentence structures and vocabularies. Oh my goodness, this resource is packed and it's part of a whole ESL lesson plan that is 60 minutes long, where students not only read the story, but also cook something up. But today I'm just going to show you the story itself. So let's begin. So this is how you're going to introduce the story, yes? So you're going to say something like this. Now we are going to read a story about Captain Fluffy. Yes, Captain Fluffy is the main character today. Captain Fluffy, who dreams of being able to fly. He wants to be able to fly. And can he do it? Can Mr. Fluffy, can Captain Fluffy learn how to fly? Let's find out. So this intro is for you to just read to your students, to just present so you know what you can say to your students. Of course, just add your own stuff here as well. It's very, very welcome. But this is like a little, as I may call it, like a little prompt for you to know how you can introduce the story itself. Let's go. Yes, there's quite a bit of sound in the story as well, because sound makes it more engaging. So the cat who wanted to fly. This is Captain Fluffy. That's right. So first, we're going to meet the characters. The main character, Captain Fluffy, he wants to learn and be able to fly. That's right, Captain Fluffy. And then we have Mr. Biscuit. So Biscuit is his friend, and Biscuit is generally grumpy, like, oh, I don't want to do it. He's very, very grumpy and he loves to eat. Okay, and then we have Miss Pigeon. Miss Pigeon is very clever and she loves to read books. And then we have Albert Wolfstein. Okay, yes, just like Albert Einstein, but this one is Albert Wolfstein. And he is a crazy scientist. Albert Wolfstein is a crazy scientist. So these are the characters in our beautiful story about the cat who wanted to fly. Okay, so let's go. Chapter number 1. One morning, Captain Fluffy stretched his paws, looked at the sky, and said, what? Today is the day. I'm going to fly. Yes, so Captain Fluffy decided this is the day he is going to fly like a bird. Biscuit, who was holding a fish, sighed. Fluffy, cats don't fly. Yes, cats don't fly. Captain Fluffy puffed out his chest. Nonsense! Birds fly, bats fly. I have 4 paws. Maybe I can fly too. Maybe. What do you think? Do you think cats can fly? So that's a question you can ask your students, and then they maybe can say yes, no. Cats can fly. What do you think, guys? Of course not. Cats cannot fly. But maybe Captain Fluffy, maybe he will be able to fly. Let's find out. Captain Fluffy climbed onto the garden wall. Here I go. I will fly like an eagle. So Captain Fluffy thinks that he will fly like an eagle. Biscuit. He's not a very good friend, you know? He says, more like a potato. So it looks like Biscuit does not believe that Captain Fluffy will be able to fly like an eagle. He thinks that he'll be able to fly like a potato, not even fly like a potato. Can potatoes fly? Okay, so Fluffy jumped, spread his paws like this. Spread his paws. He was confident. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. And boom. Oh no. He fell straight to the ground and hit his head. Ouch! Little stars danced around his head. Oh my goodness, the world is spinning. Biscuit started laughing. That's not very nice. You didn't fly. So that's what Biscuit says. You didn't fly, but you landed like a pancake. Oh, Biscuit is not very nice, is he? Yes, yeah, but I guess, yes, Captain Fluffy landed like a pancake. Yes, and he flew like a potato. Yes, not like an eagle. He didn't fly like an eagle. No, he just like, boom, he fell to the ground. Chapter 2. Okay. Oh, where are we? We are in the park. And I can see Captain Fluffy here. And who is this? Yes, this is Miss Pigeon, right? And what is Miss Pigeon doing? Miss Pigeon is reading a book. That's right. Captain Fluffy marched to the park like this and saw Miss Pigeon sitting on a bench. So this is a bench, right? Miss Pigeon was sitting on a bench. And what was she doing? She was reading a book. That's right. Miss Pigeon, you fly every day, every single day. Tell me, how do you do it? How do you fly? How do you do it? Well, I have wings, Fluffy. Well, that's true. So Miss Pigeon has got wings. That's why she can fly, right? So Miss Pigeon can fly because she has wings. Wings. Captain Fluffy waved his paws. So these are his paws. So he waved his paws like this. And look, I have wings too. Fluffy, those are paws. You catch mice with them. You do not fly with them. No. What do cats use their paws for? What do they use them for? So yes, in here, Miss Pigeon actually said that cats actually catch mice with their paws. But what else? They run, right? They use their paws to run. Is there anything else your kids can say? If not, don't worry about it, okay? But maybe some of them will be able to say run, for example. Then that's going to be great. Chapter 3. Okay, so, well, let's see. Ooh, who do we have here? Fluffy refused to give up. He was like, no, I can do it. I can do it. So he went to visit Albert Wolfstein, the dog scientist. Albert Wolfstein was a crazy scientist. Mr. Wolfstein, I need something to help me fly. So he thinks that Mr. Wolfstein will help him fly. Let's see. Albert Wolfstein thought and thought and thought, and then had an idea. Ruff! You need wings. Maybe big balloons. Oh my God. What? So they tied, so tie it, they tied 20, 10, 20 balloons to Captain Fluffy's back. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm talking about. Everybody watch me. Today is the day I will fly. Okay, let's see. Oh no! The wind blew hard, and suddenly Captain Fluffy was floating higher and higher and higher. Oh no! What will happen next? What's gonna happen next? What? I mean, maybe your students are going to be able to say what, maybe not. It is possible that your students are going to be at this level when they're not going to be able to say anything. Don't worry. You can ask the question and then even try to answer yourself. If they do give you answers, that's also okay. Help them make full sentences. Okay, so now what do you think will happen next? If you don't get an answer, you can say, maybe Captain Fluffy will start flying, huh? Or maybe Captain Fluffy will go to the moon. Or maybe Captain Fluffy will go to Mars. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, look, Captain Fluffy is happy. Captain Fluffy was in the air. Woo! Captain Fluffy was in the air. I am flying. I am a super cat. Biscuit and Miss Pigeon were not as excited as Fluffy. So Fluffy was excited, and Biscuit and Miss Pigeon were not excited. No. Fluffy, you are not flying. You are floating. This won't end well. Yes, so Miss Pigeon thinks this will end badly. Oh no! Then pop! 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 Oh no! The balloons started bursting one by one. Pop! 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 Oh no! Captain Fluffy is in trouble. Yes, he needs help. He fell down and down and down and down. Oh, thank you. And he landed on a big, soft dog bed. Phew! Oh, everything is fine with Captain Fluffy. He is okay. Oh. Albert Wolfstein wagged his tail. Wag, 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 wag. So you wag and wag, 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 wag his tail. Great landing. Okay, so that was a great landing. Yes, good, good. It's good that Captain Fluffy landed on the big, soft dog bed. Good. Okay, look, where are they now? They are in a garden. It's a beautiful garden with lots of beautiful flowers. Look, these are sunflowers. And do you know what they are? They are roses. Yes, these are red roses. So, Captain Fluffy, what did we learn today? That I am not a bird, and I cannot fly. It's true. Smart cat. Smart. Clever. Clever. Maybe you can fly in your dreams when you sleep, when you go to sleep, and you can fly in your dreams. Or we can fly to the fish shop. Let's go get some sushi. So Captain Fluffy and Biscuit ran as fast as they could because they were super hungry. See, there's Fluffy's tail in here, but no sign of Biscuit. Biscuit is already running to get some sushi. Albert Wolfstein wagged his tail. Woof! Well, cats may not fly, but they sure can run fast when there is food. Yeah, when they are hungry and there's some food over there, they can run really fast. So yes, cats are not good at flying. They cannot fly, but cats are great runners and they can run really, really fast. Can you run fast like a cat? You can do that with your students, yeah. The end. That's the end of the story. I really hope that you enjoyed the story today. And as I said, this story is part of a whole lesson plan where first we actually cook up something. We make these really yummy jam-filled biscuits in shape of cats, okay? Shaped like cats. Then we have a story, and then we also have a song to celebrate Cats Day. So this is part of a full lesson plan that you can actually get in our TPT store. And where to get it, how to get there, how to find us, just all the details, everything is in the description down below. And I really hope that you enjoyed this story. And I hope that you will want to use this story in the classroom because it's such an amazing resource and kids actually adore it and love it and they want to hear it every day. So until next video, happy teaching, my friends. Bye.